Are you the same person you were 10 years ago? Picture this. There's the ship that was kept in a harbor as a museum piece. Over the years, the wood had started to rot, and every single part of it was in fact replaced. Is it the same ship after all? The Theseus ship thought experiment has been discussed over many years, and it is weirdly complex. So let's run through the arguments. The material identity. This argument states that the original parts make the real ship. One might think then that if all the parts of the ships were to be removed, this would be no longer the real ship, or that in a miraculous action, if all the original parts were assembled, and it would be the real ship. This leaves us with the problem itself. How do we make sure that a thing is a thing? Etymologically, words arise from plural language, a union of different syllables that represent the thing. Well, yeah, but how we to consider what it is and what is not? Is it a ship if it ever went into the ocean? Continuity might grant some meaning over the material expression of things. If it serves purpose over time, then it is. The repaired ship now is. But what's the line we draw between what's the same or a whole new complex thing? Now, the argument, which I don't agree with to some degree, it is the dual identity argument. States both are the ship of Theseus in different senses. Taking the continuity side, one might argue that it can pass as the ship because over time it is, or that the original one also is, because it is composed by matter that was named once. I leave this one to discussion. Now my favorite one, and I think applies to all things. The no true identity argument. It states that there is no single true ship of Theseus. We know that everything is composed by molecules. By that knowledge, one might get to conclusions that over time nothing really is. That before and after us, the idea of what we are changes completely. Are we the star powder, or are we still we after the inevitable decay? Breaking down then the meaning of these ideas might help us to reconsider what things are, how poignant and inevitable life could be. As Albert Camus once said, life is meaningless, but worth living, provided that you recognize the meaningless.